Hello everyone, welcome back to computer class. Today I am going to continue lesson number 8, that is internet online surfing. First is about content. First one, e-commerce. Second one, online shopping. Third one, advantages of online shopping. Fourth one, disadvantages of online shopping. First is about e-commerce. E-commerce refers to buying or selling the products online. Okay, instead of going to the shop or instead of going to the market, you are sitting in home and you are purchasing through online. Okay, through your mobile or through your laptop or whatever, that is known as e-commerce. And transmitting funds over internet, and also the sending the money, or it may be receiving the money over internet. Okay, instead of going to the bank to withdraw the money or to send the money to someone, you can sit in your home and you can send the money from your mobile only, right? And nowadays many organizations prefer online business or online transactions that save time in a busy schedule. Nowadays in a busy schedule, instead of going to the bank or instead of going to the market or instead of going to the bank to receive the money or to withdraw the money or to credit or debit your money, you can sit in your home and you can send through our internet from your mobile only, right? That is known as e-commerce. Nowadays instead of going to the shop or going to the market or going to the bank, this e-commerce is very famous. Why? Because it will save the time also. Mainly it will save the time. Next is about online shopping. What is the meaning of shopping? Shopping means what? Purchasing the products, right? That is known as shopping. Online shopping is nothing but purchasing the products or getting the service over the internet. Okay, through a mobile, through an internet connection only, you are purchasing the product. That is known as online shopping. Nowadays, so many online shopping websites were available. You can check the online websites and you can purchase whatever you want. It may be a grocery, it may be a toy, it may be a pen, whatever you want. It may be a cloth or it may be a gadget, whatever you want, you can purchase through online. In this, all projects are described through a text with a photo or with a multimedia file. Yes, right? Online shopping means you can't touch and you can't feel that product. Just you can see the photo of that with the video. Sometime video will be available about that product, text about that product, information will be available. If you are going to purchase a book or whatever, they will describe it in a text. The length, how many pages were there, which kind of book, everything, review, everything will be there, right? With the picture, photo and multimedia effect. So many online websites were available. Some of those are www.amazon.com, Flipkart and eBay, Snapseed, Snapdeal, so many websites were available, right? You can purchase the product through online easily. Next is about advantages of online shopping. In online shopping, you will get some of the advantages also, some disadvantages will be there. Okay, now I am going to explain some of the advantages of online shopping. First one, online stores are open 24/7 throughout the year. Means no holiday for online shopping. You can purchase it what time you want, you can purchase. Midnight 12 o'clock also you can purchase. 7 days a week and 365 days a year it will be open. Okay. Next, you can choose goods that fit to your budget. Means you can choose based on your budget. The filter will be there. Based on the budget, you can choose the product below 500 rupee or from 1000 to 2000. You can choose based on your budget. And you can shop both at work and at home. If you are free at home, you can sit and purchase in a home. If you are working also using your mobile with the internet connection, you can sit there and you can order easily. Okay. You will get many discounts based on the festival, based on a New Year, Christmas, whatever. The special offers will be there. Okay, special offers and discount. If you purchase 2 products, means 10% discount, like that. Discount will be there. You can purchase easily. There is no need for vehicle. Instead, if you are going to purchase in a market or in a shop, means you need to go to shop. If it is far away, means you need to go through a vehicle, right? Here no issue for that and all. Okay, you can sit and you can purchase in a home. If you are you can order easily. Okay, they will deliver it to your home only, no need of vehicle here. Next is about disadvantages of online shopping. In online shopping, some of the disadvantages were there. First one, it doesn't have any interaction with the dealer. Is right. You can't interact with the dealer like a shop owner, shopkeeper, whoever. You can't discuss with them, right? Second one, items are to be selected within the availability. Some of the availability will be there. If it is a 30 product, means you need to purchase in that. You need to select in that products only. You can't go to other shop like that and all, right? Next, special offers are to be availed within a time period. Yes, if it is a new year, means they will declare for 3 to 4 days. Notice that offer facility will be there like that. Within availability, you need to purchase. After the special offer, you can't go and purchase like that. Means discount you won't get. Okay. Next, it is time consuming as there is a confusion in the selection. Yes, obviously while purchasing in online you will get confused. Why? Because if you can't see directly, right? So you will get confused whether to purchase this or that like that. Confusions will be there in a online shopping. Booking is dependent on the network services. As if you have a network facility, proper network facility you have, means you can purchase it easily. Booking also, it won't take lot of time. Okay, if it is if you have a network facility, low network like that, network issues there, means you can't purchase easily. It will take a lot of time to enter the detail. What is that? Amount you need to give the amount, right, or whatever, credit or debit card like that. It will take a lot of time. You can't touch the product. As in online shopping, just you can see the image and you can see the text about that, about the product. You can see the video, but you can't touch the product. People in rural area may not avail this facility. If you're in a city or urban areas, means you can purchase easily. Network facility will be good, and the delivery also they will deliver it easily. But it is a rural area, means you won't get that facility. Delivery they will show that you need to enter the pin code and you need to check whether to that place the online shopping, that Flipkart or Snapdeal, what is that product delivery is there or not. You need to check that. If it is the rural area, means you can't get that facility. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.